Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of designing the reliable cleaning service flyer from scratch. This is beautiful design tutelage. So we've designed the first part of it, that is the right hand side. Now we'll be moving on to the left hand side of the design. First things first, let's create the top heading where the logo will be. I can see there it's clearly written cleaning services. So I'll be creating a text, double tap to cleaning first, then services second. Text. Can There was a reason why I didn't write them together, and the reason is easy. The reason is clearly seen on the flyer design here. Let's bring it forward. Can you see? The cleaning of a different color, and the service is also of a different color, or the service is much more bolder than the cleaning. So I'll be moving the cleaning up here, and I'll be moving the services also up here, just below the cleaning. Then the cleaning, I'll be changing its color also. I'll be changing the color of the cleaning to dark green, to the dark green color. And the service is also, I'll be changing its color to the dark green color. But before changing the color, I want to make it bolder, so I'll be clicking on the style button, and I'll be clicking on bold. Okay, then I'll be changing the color. I'll be changing the color to the same dark green that was given to the cleaning, exactly like this, exactly like this. Then I'll be merging both of them together, just I've always been merging. I'll click on this, highlight the two of them, and then I'll click on this, highlight two of them, then click merge. Okay, it can take a few seconds to do. It has been done. Then can you see it's now one entity, not two. I'll be reducing the size slightly, and I'll be placing it exactly here. Next thing I'll be doing is the reliable cleaning service that you can see there. So I'll be clicking on the plus icon, click on text, bring it down here, and double tap. Next I'll be writing reliable here, reliable. Okay, and I'll be increasing the size. So the size is increased now. This is nice the way it is. This is nice the way it is. Then I'll be copying it, because I don't want the size to be different or the font to be different. I'll be copying this exact reliable, double tap it, and then write cleaning. Okay, but this should be in capital letter. The C should be in capital letter. That is a title case. Okay, cleaning, and then service. Copy the cleaning to write service. Capital letter SERVICE. Okay, cleaning service. Can we see? Now I'll be changing the fonts. First, let's position it very well. We need it to be carefully aligned, exactly like this. Reliable, I'll be changing the font now. I'll be using Amaranth Bold. Okay, cleaning also I'll be using Amaranth Bold, and service I'll be using Amaranth Bold. Okay, now I'll be changing the color. This should take the dark green color, dark green. The cleaning a lighter green, light green, and the service a dark green color as well. Okay, we have it carefully written here now already. This is nice. This is very nice. Next thing I'll be doing now is to merge the three shapes, the three of them together. I really like to merge because it just brings everything together and doesn't give you much stress when you are trying to edit later. So I'll be merging three of them together. Okay, it can take a few seconds, and then it is done. So now all of them is together, not one the way it was before. So now what is the next thing on this flyer to create? And you see what was written there? we provide the perfect cleaning service. That's the next thing we'll be trying to write now. Click on the plus icon on the control bar, click on text, bring it down here, double tap, double tap. We provide the perfect cleaning services. Okay, so semicolon at the back here, and there's one here. Okay, this is nice. Now we're reducing the size to fit what we need. Okay, so I'll be using the lighter green color for it. Click on color, click on light green. Just the way it is, like this is good. So now there is something else. We need bulletin points. 4 bulletin points. Each of them says a different thing: roof clearing, furniture clearing, floor carpet clearing, hotel and office cleaning. It's cleaning, not clearing. Okay, so I'll be creating a circle for the bullet points. A circle, and I'll be reducing the size. First, let's change the color of the circle, of the first circle. The color, I'll be using the lighter green for it. Okay, and then relative size, I'll be changing the size. I'll be using the 2 so make it very small, because on the flyer we don't need a big bulletin. So now I'll be using the positioning to increase it to the highest to have a good, or to make it faster. Then I'm bringing it down here. Okay, I'll be copying this. Copy. After copying it, I'll be using the relative, the positioning tool to bring it down as well. I can't believe I was ready to cut every one of and accept the horse. We have the bulletin points already. Now, can we see the second bulletin on the flyer is darker than the first green? So I'll be changing the color. To a darker green, and the last one also, the color should be changed to a darker green. Color to a dark green. Exactly like that. Now I need to write what was written on the flyer. I'll be clicking on the plus icon. I'll be clicking on text. Bring the text down here, double tap to change. Then we have roof cleaning, we have floor cleaning, we have office cleaning, and we have carpet cleaning. Okay, after clicking OK, bring it down here, then reduce the size. I will not be manually reducing the size. I'll be using the size tool here now, because I need it to be sized in a good format. So reducing the size until I have it exactly like this. Now, what should I do? So let's increase this carpet. Let's remove this office of floor cleaning and change it to furniture cleaning. Okay, and then I'll be changing the color now to a lighter green. Change the color to a lighter green, exactly like that. And the last one now,